Learn Lua in Neovim. Episode 28, Type Conversion. Converting between types. Lua auto-coerces strings to numbers in math. To number converts strings safely. Returns nil on failure. Tostring converts any value to a string. String.format gives precise control over output. Open conversion.lua. Insert mode. A comment for the header. Automatic coercion section. Ten plus 5, normal number addition. String 10 plus 5. Lua coerces the string to a number automatically. String 3.14 times 2. Coercion works with decimals too. Run the file. All three results are numbers. Lua converted the strings silently. G. Bottom of file. Coercion Failure section. Pcall catches the error. Hello is not a number, so coercion fails. Print the error. Lua tells us it cannot add a string with a number. Run. The error is caught. Adding hello plus 5 is not valid. G. Bottom of file. To number section. Tonumber converts string 42 to the number 42. Decimals work too. String 3.14 becomes the number 3.14. to number of ABC returns nil. It cannot be converted. Safe default pattern section. Two inputs. One is a valid number string, the other is not. Tonumber or 0. If tonumber returns nil or gives us 0 instead. Print both values. Val1 is 25, val2 falls back to 0. Run. Tonumber works for 25. The safe default catches oops. G. Bottom of file. Tostring section. Tostring of 42 converts the number to the string 42. Tostring of true. Booleans become the strings true or false. Tostring of nil. Even nil has a string form. String.format for number section. Pi with many decimal places. We will format it different ways. %f is the default format, 6 decimal places. %.2f, 2 decimal places. %.0f, no decimals, rounds to the nearest integer. Padded with leading zeros, 10 characters wide. $sign with 2 decimals. A price format. Run. All 6 sections of output. Coercion, failure, tonumber, safety faults, tostring, and format. GG. Back to top for review. Recap. 5 key takeaways. Lua autocoerces strings to numbers in arithmetic. Tonumber returns a number or nil if conversion fails. Tostring converts any value to its string form. String.format controls decimal places and padding. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Lua tutorials. Next episode, metatables.